In this tutorial, I'll be guiding us on how to add a music to Spotify. So let's get started. So first you want to click Windows and then click S. So once you're in the start menu, you want to search up Spotify and then you want to click enter. So once you're in Spotify, as you can see, you have playlists. So if you don't have playlist, you can watch my video where I made a playlist. Then you want to search up any song. In my case, I'll search up this song. So whichever song you want to add, you can just right click it and then you can see this option known as add to playlist. So when this drop down comes, you can go and click any playlist you want to add this music to. In my case, I want to add it to playlist 2. Then click over here and then as you can see in my playlist 2, you can see the music I added. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.